Hi there, Helen here, your Wellbeing Advisor for Mood Essential Oils. Now today I have chosen to show you a tool that is really good for promoting relaxation and reducing stress, and that is a singing bowl. Now these singing bowls predominantly come from Tibet and from India. They are handcrafted and they all emit a specific tone and a vibration. So these singing bowls have been used for years. They in particular by Buddhist monks who use them for meditation practices. They have healing properties as they really help to harmonize our cells and balance our energy system. What I mean by our energy system is the fact that we all have, say, a physical body, which is what you can feel and touch, and surrounding it that we can't see is something called our energy body or our subtle body. And this is affected by our environment, it's affected by our thoughts and our feelings and experiences, so any kind of trauma you might have had. Now our energy body is actually where any illness that we encounter happens first. Any decrease in our physical, mental or emotional well-being starts there in our energy body before it manifests into our physical reality. So therefore, using tools such as singing bowls, such as essential oils, all help to stimulate and to clear our energy body so that we can try and stop those issues affecting our physical self. So the sound healing that is brought about by a singing bowl can also help to stimulate your immune system, which we all need at the moment. They can create positive energy, they help to switch off your mind a bit so you can do a meditation practice, and they're just really fun. So I'm just going to show you a few today. We've got a few different ones at the moment in stock, from small ones that are just little bell bowls that make a lovely little tinging sound, like so. We have bigger ones that emit a much deeper sound. Now when you're using a singing bowl, you need to place it on your hand and you need to have your hand as flat as possible so you're not gripping the bowl. So you definitely don't do that because that will stop the vibration of the bowl. So I always used, well, we always use one of these which comes with them. We give it a big ding to start with, and then you apply pressure all the way around the rim of the bowl. You will be able to feel whether you need to go slower or faster or apply more pressure, keeping your hand as straight as you can. You will start to feel the sound getting a bit louder, going a bit faster. Each bowl emits a different sound. I can feel this now in my chest area, so in my heart chakra area. I find that different bowls I feel in different areas. And I love how the sound just keeps going a bit as you finish. Now this is one of my favourite bowls. It's only a small bowl, but it emits a really nice, gentle, peaceful sound, I feel. So again, I'm keeping my hand as straight as possible. And then you just very smoothly rubbing the stick around the top. I can feel this more in my head, in my third eye. And I have often seen that different bowls play differently for different people. So they will emit a slightly different sound because the vibration of the bowl is connecting to your own energetic vibration. So it all works on vibration. The whole universe, everything is energy and vibration. So sound healing is a really powerful way to help clear those vibrations and make them positive. So go check out online the different singing bowls that we have. If you need any advice on them, then you can contact me as the Wellbeing Advisor. All our products are with free postage and packaging, so go and see which one you feel will benefit you the most. Thank you.